Hello everyone. In this program, we will practice the use of repeat block by observing the pattern of the code. For that, we are going to make a program to move the vehicle in a rectangular pattern. So let's begin with the curious mind block and set up vehicle. For a rectangle, we will first move forward, let's say for 1 second, and then we will turn. Now what kind of turn we want? We want a hard turn, because rectangle also has sharp edge. So we are going to use hard turn, hard right turn, and we will use wait time as 0.3 seconds. So from here I have reached here, I have turned, and now I have to go this side. So again vehicle forward. But this time the distance is not same as the earlier one. This distance is longer. So we need to wait more time before we again turn. So we have given wait 2 seconds and then we will turn right again, which is same as this. Now again we have to go forward, but this time again a smaller time, which is equal to 1 second. So forward 1 second and we have to turn. Right turn for 0.3 seconds. Now we reached here, we have to go forward for this longer side. So we will take vehicle forward, and longer side we saw we gave 2 seconds of wait. We've reached here and we will stop. So this is the code for rectangle. Now let's look for the pattern. Here vehicle forward wait 1 second, hard right turn wait 0.3. Vehicle forward wait 2 second, hard right turn 0.3. So this is not repeating. If you see, this is not same as this. Here it is 1 second, here is 2 seconds. So this is not repeating. So I will keep it like this. Now let's see here. Forward 1 second, hard right 0.3. Forward 1, hard right 0.3. Then forward 2 seconds, forward 2 seconds. We don't have hard right 0.3. Can we just add this here? Yes. It will just move the vehicle such that its orientation will be changed, but its position will not be changed, and rather it will look into the same direction as it started. So this command will not affect, but what it does is it ensures that we get a pattern. We have two set of blocks which are exactly similar, and hence we don't want to use it. Instead we will use repeat. There were two sets of blocks, so we have to repeat 2 times. And vehicle stop. So that will move the vehicle in rectangular fashion.